I built this camera holder yesterday and it's freaking awesome. This moves in just every direction and it's really easy to adjust, and it's very stiff once this knob is tightened. And it goes up and down. It's kind of hard to do it one-handedly. And you can tighten it. You can adjust the pressure and spin it. It's really cool. And this is really heavy, so it won't just fall over if you bump into it or something. It's a weight plate, 1.25 kilograms. And I made this piece from this flat steel bar and bolted it down to the weight plate. And this rod is from some old printer, probably some 300 series stainless. And you can see how the ends are machined. And I threaded it on the other side and secured it with 2 nuts. And this used to be a magnetic base. The magnet was attached like that. And the dial indicator went here instead of this 8mm rod. I've seen this sell on eBay for as low as $8 just for an arm without a magnet. And this is another custom made part from Flat Steel Bar. And this is a phone holder for filming. I've seen them for $1 on eBay, and the rest is just nuts, washers and bolts.